Plug in the device into the diagnostic port. There you go. You'll see the device liven up. Once it's ready to go, you'll see the display change. Now it's powered up. Now turn your bike on, turn the ignition on. Once the ignition's on, press tuning, Ducati, next one, arrow, Street Fighter, key on and confirm, okay. Allow it to read. What it will do now is read your ECU. Now we click tuning. So the first operation you would do is read your ECU, as we did before. Now we've read the ECU, we're ready to write. So now we click write, and you'll see you've got a number of maps there which you can write into it. You may only have one or two, it depends if you've done any updates, download updates, but this is the map that we've just updated. So we choose that one and we click OK, and you'll see it starting to write. Communicating with the ECU. Writing in progress. This does take a while, but it's important not to interrupt this. Allow it to finish. So it's just finishing writing the tune file to your ECU. And you'll see the bike doing a mixture of things. And there you go, writing completed. Switch ignition off and disconnect the open flash tune. Ignition off and press OK, and you'll see it'll go back to that screen. And you're done, and you're ready to go and do some serious wheelies.